20 Minute Setswana, Lesson 2, Part 2. So, now if I'd like to introduce myself, how would I say my name is?
Liina, lameki,
And then my name.
then your name.
Le'ina, what does Le'ina mean?
Liina, it's name.
Okay.
Lame, me,
Okay.
meaning lame, mine.
Oh, okay, so it's a possessive pronoun. All right.
Yes.
It's mine. Oh, the ke is the
It
is.
literally is.
It is.
In that
Okay,
context.
so it's if you break it down literally, it means name, Lena,
Name
of mine,
of mine
is.
Yes.
and then I say my name.
Yes.
So Lena
Lame,
lame
ki.
ki tian.
Yes.
Lena lame ki
Perfect.
tian.
Perfect.
Awesome. And if I were to ask you, what is your name? How would I do that?
Liina la gago ki mang.
Now, Le'ina sounds familiar because that is name. The lachacho, what is that?
Yours.
Okay, so of yours, the name of yours.
Of yours. Yes.
Okay. Earlier it was la me, now it's lachacho.
Yes.
Now, I recognize this mang because someone taught me that o mang means who are you?
Yes.
But I guess in this context, it would mean what? Because it's liina lachacho kemang. Literally, the name of yours is what?
And I'll say Mpho.
Okay, Mpho. Oh, Mpho.
Yes.
So I can just say Kitian.
Yes.
I don't even have to say my name is
Is
Tian. I
Tian.
just say I'm Tian.
I'm Tian.
Just like in English.
Yes.
Can I just say Omang?
It's very rude.
Okay.
Omang?
Omang.
Yes. You can't say that.
Okay. So I'd rather, at the first time of meeting someone, I wouldn't say, Omang. That would suit if I were sort of agitated and someone stepped
Yes.
into the room and I'm like,
True.
listen, who are you?
Yes.
I'll just be like, Omang.
Yes.
Okay. I remember that next time someone bursts into a room. Okay, so let's move on. If I were to say, until the next time, I'm waiting for a lot of Tswana, so I'll prepare myself. Okay, until next time, how would I say that?
Go fitlhela nako e tlang.
That's good. Go fitlela nako e tlang.
Yes.
Okay, let's break it up. Go fitlela, what does that mean?
Until
Until. Okay, and nako,
nako, it's time.
until time, and the tlang.
E tlang.
Okay, etlang, they go together, obviously.
Yes.
Mhm.
Next.
So until time next.
Yes.
Until next time.
Until next
Hafitlela nako etlang.
Go fitlhela nako e tlang.
Etlang.
Till next time.
Till next time. Beautiful. So just to be a little bit less formal, just like see you later. How would that work out?
Ke tla go bona mathapama.
Ketla hobon. Now that sounds familiar. The ke is either tla is the future, I will do something. Hobona, hold on, that's also the same. We'll
To
see.
see.
You, we'll see you. And matapama, what is that?
Afternoon.
Okay, I'll see you afternoon.
Afternoon. Mathapama, we can also use it as later.
Okay, so it's
In Setswana.
a double meaning,
Yes.
either afternoon or later.
Yes.
Okay, interesting. And let's elaborate a bit. Let's say I want to see you or see you next week.
Ke tla go bona beke e tlang.
Okay, so beke,
Beke,
what is the beke?
it's a week. Next week.
And etlang?
E tlang, it's next.
Oh, I remember.
Yes.
Okay,
Beke, it's a week.
week.
E tlang, it's next.
Next. I'm guessing, obviously, you'll understand me if I made the mistake of just saying one E. It wouldn't be the end of the world, but
It wouldn't.
yeah, you'd prefer me to say the double E's, obviously.
E tlang.
Etlang.
Yes.
Okay. And see you next month.
Ke tla go bona kgwedi e tlang.
I presume kgwedi is month.
Yes, perfect.
Okay. Ke tla go bona kgwedi etlang.
It's a month.
All right. Now, let's go further. Let's say it's going to be a long time. I'm not going to see this person in quite a while. I'll see you next year. How would I say that?
Ke tla go bona ngwaga
Uh-huh.
o tlang.
Now, ngwaga is obviously the word for year.
Yes.
Okay. And tlang was the word for next. But now I note that you've changed the E to a O. Why is that?
It was affected. Ngwaga affects the o.
The word ngwaga
Ngwa,
affects the fact that it doesn't become an E, it becomes a O.
o.
Okay.
Yes. Ngwaga.
So sometimes in a language, these are the harder parts to learn, and sometimes you just have to learn it off by heart. But if we see a pattern, if I see a pattern, I'm going to ask you about it. I'm sure there are going to be patterns in the future. For now, like I said, just learn it as a piece of vocabulary and enjoy using the language. Now, see you tomorrow morning.
Fa letlhaba.
Oh, fa letlhaba. That sounds a little bit easier. Fa letlhaba. What does the fa letlhaba mean?
When rises what? The sun.
Oh, so you're implying when the sun rises.
Yes.
Okay.
When the sun rises. I can also say, ke tla go bona fa letlhaba.
I was just going to ask you that. Because I wanted to say, ke tla go bona fa letlhaba. When it rises.
When the sun rises.
Yeah.
Yes.
But what is the word for sun?
Letsatsi.
Letsatsi.
Yes.
As in day.
Yes.
Okay. See you midday.
Ke tla go bona motshegare-gare.
Motshegare-gare.
Yes.
That's interesting to say, and I enjoy saying that. Motshegare-gare.
Yes.
Okay, what is motshegare-gare? What is that?
Gare, it's mid. Mid.
Okay, so gare is sort of in the middle.
In the middle
Gare in the middle, and
of the day. Motshegare,
motshegare
it's a day.
is day. To make it midday, you add a gare.
Gare.
To say in the middle of the day. Okay.
Yes.
Motshegare-gare.
Yes. Motshegare-gare.
Nice. And lastly, if I were to say see you tonight, how would I say that?
Ke tla go bona bosigo.
I will to see you tonight. You see, what we're trying to do here to all the listeners is at the end of the day, we want to help you construct sentences on your own. We want you to say, okay, I will see you, and then decide what you want to do. So these little pieces of vocabulary are like puzzle pieces that at the end of the day, we put together for you to start creating sentences on your own. It's wonderful. Don't forget to go to the website 20minutesetswana.co.za. That's 20minsetswana.co.za.
Take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go. Say yeah.